the ColorStay Matte Lite Crayon. Do you see this precise little tip right here? The way that you apply it is you put it on as a lip liner and then you color in the inside, which is why this tip is so defined. Don't be afraid, you're not gonna mess up. Woo! I messed up. This has such a lightweight feel to it. Let's color her in. It goes on so smooth, and there's mango seed oil in it, and it doesn't feel like other lipsticks that are matte. And as you can see, it looks perfect. Right? It looks perfect. The other thing that I love about the Matte Lite Crayon is that there's a sharpener on the end. Pointy yet again. ColorStay Matte Lite Crayon.